Banded lower body toning leg workout. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Kristell Foss, aka Fitfoss, and today I'm going to be doing a lower body band workout. Now you can do this if you're a beginner as just your normal leg workout, or if you are a seasoned athlete, you can do this as your warm-up. I will do this as my warm-up usually, but if you're a beginner, like I said, just do this for a lower body beginner workout. This is really gonna tone and tighten up your whole entire lower body and really help with your hip mobility and your knee stabilization. Hey, what's up you guys? Happy New Year's Eve. I hope you guys have something super fun planned. And if you don't, you can go to the gym and do this awesome workout. Just kidding. Okay, so the very first exercise is gonna be jumping jacks. So you wanna make sure that you're staying on your toes and your knees are bent the whole time. You wanna squeeze your glutes and your inner thighs together. You don't want to really straighten any of your limbs. Everything kind of stays slightly bent. You're gonna pull your belly button into your spine, tighten it all up, and squeeze. So this workout is done in a circuit style, or you can do this EMOM style. So every exercise starts on the minute, and then you do a certain number. So I'm gonna do EMOM style. Of course, the workout will be written below for you, so you can take a screenshot and take it with you to the gym. Okay, the second workout here, or exercise should I say, is lateral walks. You're not gonna squat down, you're just slightly bending your knee. You're squeezing your glutes, you're pulling your core into your spine, tightening it up, and you're just really trying to stretch your knees apart. So don't let your knees bow in. We're kind of like in a sumo style stance. My toes are slightly pointed out, and you want to go really slow, keeping those hips nice and still, just moving your legs side to side, kind of like a spider, I guess you could say. They're like sideways spider walks. That's what I'm gonna call them. If you don't have a band, you can do all these exercises without a band. But what I have here is just a super stretchy light yellow band. I'll try to link the Amazon link below so you can grab that. It was like $10 in a pack of 5, so super affordable. Okay, here we go with exercise number 3, and we're just gonna do a squat press. So this is working our quads, our legs, and our booty. So you wanna make sure when you squat down, you're keeping your ankles nice and wide. It's actually some work here to keep that band pulled apart. As you press back, you wanna try to balance on that leg. So again, if you're a beginner, and you can't do this, just do it without the band. As you squat down, you want to sit back into your heels, pull your core into your spine, squeeze your glutes. As you press up, you want to squeeze your glutes and press back. And if you can, you want to try to really pause for like 1 second and squeeze extra hard on that glute. Okay, the fourth exercise is a squat with a lateral raise. Again, if you can't do this and you're a beginner and the band is too hard, then just lose the band. It's not a big deal. You want to make sure that your form is correct before you move into a band exercise, but this is really going to benefit you when you're ready. So make sure that your core is nice and tight. I kind of patted my stomach there to show you. Squeeze your glutes. As you sit back into your heels, I really want you to make sure that you don't stick your butt out and arch your lower back. So you want to keep your back in neutral spine, nice and flat. Again, you want to keep that band pulled apart the whole entire time. This is like a workout just keeping the band apart. So you're gonna squat down, pull it up, and try to pause slightly if you can and really squeeze that outer glute. Make sure that you are going slow and controlled and squeezing every little muscle in your lower body the whole entire time. Today, this is more of a controlled workout and not such a quick workout because we don't have that much weight. So it's more of a toning and a tightening type workout, if you will. Okay, tighten up the tummy and the glutes. I just patted my tummy and my glutes to tell you to do that. Okay, we're gonna do crab walks forward and back. So pull that band apart again. This is a workout in itself. Pull your core into your spine. Pull those knees apart. Do not let them bow in. As you walk forward and squat down, you want to spread your knees and your toes apart. So kind of let your feet slide on the floor, and then you're going to reverse backwards. So as you squat down, you're going to really squeeze and almost resist against what you're doing. And this is actually going to make it a lot harder. This is going to start to burn. I do not have any weight but my body weight in this band, and I am dying right here. I don't know if you can see the pain on my face, but this is pain right here. It is fire. That was awesome. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and lay down now and sleep. No, I'm just kidding. No sleeping yet. Right into our banded bridge here. So remember, keep your glutes nice and tight. Your stomach is nice and tight. Everything is flat and in neutral spine. So you don't want to do any crazy arches in your back. You just want to lift straight up and squeeze. Almost do a pelvic tilt. So you're going to tilt your pubic bone under towards you, like towards your chin almost, when you come up into your bridge, and you're going to squeeze your glutes until you feel the burn. Okay, so the first little segment there, your heels were together. Now you're just going to widen your feet here, and you're just going to go up and down, keeping your knees apart. So you really want to use muscle to mind connection here. Really imagine the muscle that you are working, and when you're ready to contract that muscle, think about it squeezing as tight as possible for about 2 to 3 seconds, and then come back down again. So this next exercise right here is going to be our fire hydrant. I think I called it like a dog that pees last time, but that's kind of gross. So we're gonna go with the fire hydrant this time. So I really want you to notice that I am keeping my hips as flat and still as possible. I am not rocking my whole body when I bring my knee up. So everybody's hip mobility is totally different, and yours is going to be different than mine. Some people can just keep their back totally straight and hips flat and bring their knee all the way out. My hips don't do that. But the point is to really keep that tummy tight and not arch your back when you're doing these movements, especially this one right here, kickbacks. A lot of people will throw their leg back and just go into this crazy arch looking position, and it's not really correct. So you're gonna get a lot more benefit out of doing it this way. Everything stays totally straight. Your femur bone is just moving in your hip socket, and that is it. So really exhale as you bring the knee up, inhale as you bring it down. Keeping everything nice and still. Please do not forget to breathe. Do not hold your breath. That's called the Valsalva maneuver. A lot of people do it just because they're trying to focus so hard on what they're doing because there's a lot of things going on. So just remember to try to exhale when you're squeezing the muscle that you're working. All right, you guys, that's it. Have fun tonight. Be safe, and I will see you on Wednesday. Bye. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that banded lower body toning leg workout or warm up, whatever you choose. And I hope you have an amazing New Year's. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click the bell so you get a notification when I upload a new video, and I'll see you later. Bye.